Hello guys, today I'm going to review the Nomad Rugged Folio for iPhone XR, and I have borrowed my wife's phone, and as you can see she has a iPhone XR as well, and I recommended her to pick up Nomad, the Bifold case, and as you can see there's significant wear and tear, and she's by no means a delicate user. As you can see, there's a lot of scuffs and patina that has formed around the case, and one thing I noticed, there was some damage that has come about with the leather case, and I reached out to Nomad saying this has happened, and Nomad cases come with, I believe, a 10-year or a lifetime warranty, considering the workmanship they put into this. So I said, hey man, can we do something about this? I thought this is supposed to last a really long time, and they were kind enough to actually refund me the full amount of what I purchased with this order. So if you guys are ever purchasing a Nomad case, keep the receipt in your email or whatever way you store your receipts, and reach out to them. And as you can see, there's nothing much, just a little bit of glue that's coming off the leather and the TPU case. So I said, can we do something about this? And they were kind enough to replace this fully. But sadly, there wasn't any bifold case. That means it only folds once. But in return, I actually found a tri-fold case. As you can see, I don't think there's any significant difference in the quality of the workmanship. It should be exactly the same. This is the Hawaiian leather quality leather since 1905. It can store up to 8 cards, 2 card slots. It's just that instead of one fold, it has one more overlapping case. The box is no different. I think one difference that I may notice is the previous cases shows what happens in day 1 versus day 100. As you can see, there isn't. It's just showcasing the amount of cards you can store, and it's uniquely rugged. So let's open this case. As the previous cases, this got a magnetic clasp, and there you go. It talks about the workmanship over here. You have the main cast of this review, and as you can see, this is what day 1 looks like, and you have all the packaging. Really great effort being put in with the tag and whatnot. And as you can see here, this is day 1, and this is day, I don't know whether it's 100, but it's definitely around there. As you can see, there's been some, patina being formed and scuffs and darkening of the leather. This is expected, and this is the bifold case. So as you can see here, this is what it should look like. So I'm going to move my wife's phone aside. Looks exactly the same, no difference. So as you can see here, I'm going to open this up. No difference. Inspired, if you will, right? There's only some threads coming off here, some, wear and tear. This is what a brand new one looks like. And I'm just going to remove my wife's phone just to show what the insides look like. Almost the same, ditto. No difference. Looks good. So let's get right to it. So I'm going to install my wife's phone right here, the iPhone XR. Snug fit. Right. Yeah, that's it. So this one, right, how does it go? Like this? Is that how it's supposed to be? That's weird. This. Strange. What should it look like? So based on the case, it should go right over the phone. Let's see, what am I doing wrong here? not sure. Can you see this? Wow. What should be happening here? I don't know. Should be like this. Should it go like this? Maybe it's like that. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Maybe I should go online and check what exactly should be happening in this case. But nonetheless, this is what happens. And as you can see here, this is the wear and tear. I'm using a black case from Nomad, which is the phone that I'm using to record this video. And sometimes, if you don't like this texture or tan or patina, if you will, go by the black leather case. That should help. So that's how it is, and so much of storage right here. And it's soft, velvety feel. You can access your phone with these, and that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the review. Like and subscribe, and I'll make more of these reviews if you like them. Take care and have a great week ahead.